What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Exness Trading Platform to make the most out of it. Now here Exness is a trading platform that you can trade in stock market. Now just go to their website, that's exness.com, and you will land on their homepage. You can scroll down here on the homepage to learn more about the features and different benefits of the platform here. They offer lots of great features, such as instant withdrawals for your earnings, ultra-fast executions for your orders, and stop-out protection. Now here what you want to do is to register to create an account or sign in if you already have an account, and I'll show you step by step how to create an account and how to use it. Now click on register here, and you want to enter your country, your email address, and your password, and make sure your country is supported. So I'll choose, for example, China. My email address, I'm going to use a disposable email address, a fake email address, just to show you the way, since I don't want right now to log in again with my real email. So enter your email address and then enter a strong password. Okay, now continue. And now you are redirected to your main dashboard. Now here you have demo account. You can get a demo account to learn, if you're a beginner, to learn how to trade here, or you can start with real money and real account right off the bat. I'll choose a demo account here just to show you the tools that you can use. And as you can see here, I have 10,000 US dollars. Now this is the balance and equity. I have this free margin here, and they tell you that you have the real money is of course 0. Now here you have the favorite companies, which are highly performing countries such as BTC, ABL, and others. So you can go ahead, for example, on BTC and view the graph here of Bitcoin versus US dollars. Now at this moment it's around 61,000 and goes up and down just so slightly. And you can buy here with $61,000, or you can sell for 61. Of course, the margins of profit are here. So if you bought this like stock with less price, of course you need to sell it now to earn the price difference. Now you have your open orders right here. Of course, I don't have any order right now. You have your pending and your closed orders. So let's go ahead to a cheaper stock here to start with testing with our money, because the BTC is more than our demo account has. Okay, let's go to AAPL. It's closed now. Market is closed for now because the time zone is different. Okay, now you can search for more companies right here, for more popular countries. Ethereum, for example, which is a pretty popular Bitcoin. So let's buy for 3,388. Okay, confirm buy. You can here specify the amount. So let's buy 1. Okay, confirm buying 1 lot. And here are now it's moved into the open here, right here. And as you can see here, the total will be deducted from your total here. So as you can see here, you can sell it if you want to. Now this is open. You bought it for 3,388. Now once it gets higher, you can sell it. Okay, confirm to sell. And as you can see here, of course I lost because I sold it for a less than I bought it, but just to show you what it is. And now I can see the open. If I click on it here, I can see that I sold it and bought it. I can edit the processes or modify these orders right here, or I can close the order. So let's close this order, and now it's moved to the closed orders that I have. Now here, as you can see, they give you indicators on like it updates like every second or maybe less. And here they tell you if it's going up or going down based on the color coding. Now let's go ahead, for example, to BTC once again, and let's buy 001. Okay, we did buy it. And now here the demo account is of course for less. And now I have the BTC. Now I can add here a TP. So I can modify the order. I can partially close it or make it close by like a certain date. So here I have the profit to take if I were to buy it. And if I go ahead and go to this BTC, for example, and sell it, of course I haven't made any profit. Now I can close all the deals here. confirm. So all the deals or orders are moved to the closed section. Now I can scroll through my main here instrument, or my main companies right here, and as well as here, and I can go ahead to more popular like top movers, majors, metals. So by categories, let's go to crypto, for example. You have the best performers in crypto, such as Ethereum and BTC here, or Bitcoin. Now let's here go ahead and go to any of them. So in AUD, for example, or Australian dollars, you can go ahead and view based on the currency, and also you can view in like Japanese yen, for example. So you can go ahead and buy and like watch the stock like graph here. Once it goes down, you can go ahead and buy some, and once it goes up, you can go ahead and sell and make a profit. Now you can go ahead and deposit like real money and or top of the demo account. Let's top off the demo account right here, okay, with 1000 USD. Now if you go ahead and try to deposit real account, now it's a totally different story. Now here it opens up the real account, and of course you need to complete your profile, and you can deposit in these specific methods right here. Of course you cannot do it right now because we haven't verified our account. So you need to complete your profile and then verify your account, and you have lots of payment methods right here, such as bank card, scroll, StickPay, Neteller, and others. So let's go ahead and go to the terminal right here with our demo account, and here I can set price alert. So add a new alert, for example, when the BTC or the Bitcoin in Japanese yen hits, for example, 99. Okay, so, and if it's, I can set it as a recurring alarm, and I can set it to expire in a certain time. So let's say 30 days for bid price or for ask price. Okay, and then let's add an alarm. Now this alarm is added, and it'll notify us once the order gets to the price that we want. Now here I have all my like settings. I have this is the Exness terminal. I have my personal area right here where I can enter my account. I here have the public website. I can access it as well, and I can view the partnership. To view this, I need to complete my registration, like verify my information and complete my profile and verify it. And this will allow me, as I showed you, to also add payments like real money. Now here I can access my profile, and here I can, in this specific order, for example, I can mark or view depending on confirm it by the limit of this lot. Once it gets to this price, I can take profit. So like confirm to buy once it hits certain price to make a certain profit, or stop the loss by confirming it as well. Now let's cancel it, and here I have my pending orders if I have any, and I have no open orders since I closed all the orders that I have. So let's go ahead and add one for the Japanese yen Bitcoin. Let's buy it for this price. Sorry. Okay, confirm to buy 01. Okay, or actually let's go ahead and buy 1 Bitcoin. Okay, and now it's bought. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can use the Exness trading platform.